Hello! Welcome to Storytime with the Missouri Botanical Garden. My name's David Evans, and today we have a fantastic story about the different ways plants can move. It's called Plants Can't Sit Still. Plants Can't Sit Still. Written by Rebecca E. Hirsch. Illustrated by Mia Posada. Plants don't have feet, or fins, or wings. Yet, they can move in many ways. I wonder how they can move. Can you think of any ways? Look closely, and you'll discover that plants can't sit still. Do you see one of the plants moving? I think I do. Plants can wiggle. As seedlings start to grow, they squirm out of the soil, unfold their leaves. What do you think they're going to do next? And reach for the warmth and light. Can you think of what the plants would be growing towards? What's warm and bright in the sky? Plants can creep. How do you think they can do that? They slither underground, or crawl through tall grass. What do you think the plants are looking for? Searching for the things that all plants need. Can you name all the things plants need to grow? Plants need water, sunshine, and room to grow. This page has some of my favorite plants. In the bottom left corner is the common milkweed, while in the top right corner is garden strawberries. Both of these plants take over new ground by forming colonies. The plants in the colony appear to be separate, but they are all actually connected. Some, like milkweed, are connected by underground runners. Others, like garden strawberry, are connected by above ground runners. A runner is like a specialized stem designed for creeping either above or underground. And as they search, plants can climb a fence or walk up a wall. Climbing plants are kind of lazy. They climb over other plants to reach sunlight rather than support themselves. This page shows the climbing plant English ivy. Like all climbing plants, they have an excellent sense of touch. When an English ivy stem comes in contact with a surface, it grows roots at that spot. The roots then ooze a gooey cement to attach them to the surface. Other climbing plants come equipped with hooks, sticky pads, or touch-sensitive leaves that grab like hands. Plants can hide from a hungry grasshopper. This is a really cool plant. The sensitive plant is sometimes called touch-me-not, and for good reason. With the touch of a finger, a gentle shake, or the nibble of an insect, it folds its leaves against its stem like tiny green dominoes. The leaves will unfold again in about 20 minutes, after any threat is long gone. Or surprise a fly, snap! Now these are awesome plants. Venus flytraps grow in swamps, where the soil is poor. In order to get the nutrients they need to grow, Venus flytraps have come up with a really cool way to catch insects. When an insect lands in the right spot, the leaf snaps shut in less than a second. After that, the plant takes its time. A week might pass while the Venus flytrap digests its catch. Only after the meal is over will the leaf reopen again. Some plants sleep at night, leaves nodding, flowers folding. The plants on this page, tulips, and the plants on the last page, common beans, both move within the 24-hour day and night cycle. Bean leaves droop at night, and tulip flowers close. The word for this type of movement is circadian, which in Latin means about a day. The plants know day from night by sensing changes in light and temperature. Others wake with the stars and lift their faces to the moon. Moonflowers open at night, so they can be pollinated by night-flying moths. The blooms last only for one night. When the morning sun touches the petals, the flower closes and dies. Plants can tumble on a breeze. Whoosh! As they bounce along, seeds sprinkle out. Russian thistle grow in dry land where there are few trees and shrubs to get in the way. When it is ready to spread its seed, the plant breaks off at the base and curls into a crispy ball, becoming a tumbleweed. As it rolls along, 30 to 50,000 seeds are scattered. Plants even explode! They fling their seeds into the world to make new plants. The fruit of the squirting cucumber looks like a hairy cucumber. As the cucumber ripens, it fills with a slimy juice and builds up with pressure. Eventually, enough pressure is built up to explode the fruit off of the plant and squirt the seeds as far as the length of a school bus. A seed is a plant built for travel. Seeds can whirl like helicopters, or float on parachutes. Red maple seeds are packed into double propellers. Each propeller has a swollen end filled with a seed and a papery end. The two halves split apart. Then, when wind shakes the tree, the seeds fall off and the propellers carry the seeds far away. Dandelion seeds are carried on the wind by the thousands. Each seed is attached to its own parachute. Or glide on papery wings. But they can't sit still. Asian climbing gourd is a vine that climbs high in the rainforest. From the vines hang football-sized gourds, each packed with hundreds of seeds. Paper-thin wings allow the seed to glide in wide circles through the forest. Seeds hitchhike on your sock? Or on a fox's bushy tail? Take a ride inside a bear! Whoa! Raspberries package their seeds in a tasty fruit. The fruit gets eaten, and so the seeds travel inside an animal. Hard coats allow the seeds to survive the ride through the bear's stomach and intestine. The seeds then come out unharmed in an animal's poop. Ew. Seeds set sail. Sploosh! Down the river, past swaying trees, into the wide ocean. Drifting, waiting for what all plants need. Can you name what plants need with me? Plants need water, sunshine, and room to grow. Coconut palms make fruit that contain everything needed for a long trip at sea. The hard shell keeps out salt water. Inside the coconut is a supply of food and water and a pocket of air to help it stay afloat. When the seed finds a spot, the seedling squirms out. It unfolds its leaves, it reaches for the warmth and the light, and it keeps on moving because plants can't sit still. Who knew plants could move in so many cool and different ways? If you enjoyed this virtual storytime, make sure you check out the Missouri Botanical Gardens Storytime playlist for more videos, or check out the Missouri Botanical Gardens Summertime Breeding Program. See you guys next time. Bye!